Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi there, my name is Fitri Sabtika. I am from 12 Social 3. My absent number is 11. Today, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make Binte Biluhuta with cheese dumpling. Anybody remember the folk song of Binte Biluhuta? No. It's not only a song title. Binte Biluhuta is a traditional food from Gorontalo. Binte Biluhuta or milu siram is a corn soup that has a very unique flavor. Sweetness from the corn, sourness from lime, and spicy taste from chilies. Besides being known to have a very unique flavor, Binte Biluhuta is also known to have many health benefits. Usually, Binte Biluhuta is combined with shrimp, but this time I will combine Binte Biluhuta with cheese dumpling. The cheese from the dumplings will neutralize the spicy and sour taste. This is a perfect combination. So, without any further ado, let's do this. The ingredients we need to make Binte Biluhuta with cheese dumpling are 1 tablespoon of lime, 2 pieces of red chili, 10 pieces of cayenne pepper, 10 grains of onion, 2 pieces of scallions, 2 cups of corn, 1 tablespoon salt, fried onions, 2 tablespoons chicken bouillon, 75 grams of grated coconut, smoked fish, 1000 ml of water, basil leaves, and cheese dumplings. The tools we're going to use are capsule blender, knife, cutting board, serving bowl, vegetable spoon, plate, and pan. And now the steps are: firstly, peel the corn and comb it with a knife until it separates from the cup. Puree the onion, red chili, and cayenne pepper in a capsule blender. Boil 1000 ml of water. Add the shelled corn and ground spices. Boil for 10 or 15 minutes until cooked. Add the cheese dumpling, salt, chicken bouillon, and lime. When it boils, add the basil leaves and grated coconut. Cook until slightly wilted. Chop the scallions and place them in a serving bowl with the smoked fish. Put the soup in a serving bowl. Add some fried onions. Then, Binte Biluhuta with cheese dumpling is ready to be served. With a cooking process that's not difficult and complicated, Binte Biluhuta with cheese dumpling is the right choice if you want to make a traditional food business. Because the taste is very unique and the ingredients are also easy to get, Binte Biluhuta with cheese dumpling will have a good potential in the future with a unique concept. So, for the last, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy the food and see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.